Hey, and we'll do, like I said, do a foreign film.
Helicopters checking the power lines.
Yeah. Yeah. Water, airplanes, the seaplanes. You know, you cost it $50, $60.
Brass trap is worth a lot of money.
Oh yeah.
He sold it. What he did.
Take
them.
Take them, boys.
You didn't get that one. You're supposed to get that one.
That one bailed out at the last second.
Sorry, guys.
I said take the one on the left.
Yeah, that's what it's fat. Goose, fat.
Nice shooting, guys.
Yeah. Did you shoot?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Goose, back. No, I thought you guys would get the one to the left.
Well, I told Pat, I said, Pat, take the one on the left. Because
they'd set up beautifully. See the difference?
Hold. Hey, hold.
Yeah, they came in right on the hole, too. That was nice.
Yeah, there was no hesitation on those ones.
I didn't thought they were going to drop that fast, but they did.
Yeah, I thought they'd make it come around, but they didn't.
Oh, you little shit.
Yeah.
That's nice bird.
That's a good dog.
Good boy.
You're going to miss that, baby. Boy.
Ready?
Take them.
Take them, boys.
I got that one.
Nice shot. Nice shot.
Big shot.
Go ahead, jump them up.
Yeah, take them.
Got
one. 1, 2.
Yeah, take them.
That was a long shot.
That's not close. Is that a close up all the way?
Get him, Zeus.
Good thing we got that.
Good boy.
Good thing we got it. I'm glad you come, Pat.
Yeah, good to have the dog for that one. That would have been a long retrieve.
Yeah, you guess who? Me. Well, they're coming back, Pat. Come on. Oh, then we broke the wind, that's about.
Oh, I hear more to the right.
Right.
Guys, get down. Guys, down.
Don't send them.
To the right. To the right. He sees him.
Good boy.
He sees him. Yeah, he got him.
Oh.
No.
Sit. Sit.
No. Hey,
He'll get him. Oh. Huh?
There you go. He sees him now.
Atta boy. Good boy.
That was nice. That's a nice
That's
retrieve.
a nice dog.
That's a nice retrieve.
That's a nice.
Nice retrieve,
That's
Pat.
worth a movie out of that.
Pat, nice retrieve.
Keep an eye on that one, Pat.
That was beautiful. That's a beautiful retrieve.
Yep.
That is nice. Yeah, the dog stops and then. I tell you, keep an eye on that one. Did you train your dog yourself, Pat? Or you had it trained?
Huh?
The dog, you trained him yourself?
I did it myself.
Yeah, they did a good job.
Pat, how many we got?